This is the belt friction apparatus. In this experimental unit, we can perform experiments on belt drives and belt friction. This is the pulley made up of aluminum material. It has grooves in its circumference. These specific grooves are for V belts, flat belts, and round belts. This pulley, as you can see, has been mounted on ball bearings. These ball bearings are mounted on a shaft that goes at the back of the frame. Different angles have been given at which we can grip the belt with the pulley at any angle from 0 to 180 degrees. These are the belts which have been provided with the equipment. This is the V belt, black belt, and this is the round belt, the white belt, and the third belt has been mounted on the pulley, which is the flat belt. Installation of belt is easy. You just have to attach this steel side to this belt suspender, just like that which goes to the respective groove. Now this side of the belt has a hook which is used to attach the load. I have already attached the load to the belt side. A cord has been wound around this pulley, and at the end of this cord a load hanger has been attached. We will apply the load to this load hanger until the pulley starts to rotate. After that, we will change the belt and repeat the procedure. With the help of these two loads and this belt angle, we can find the coefficient of friction of the respective belt.